Shinefar Solar Company Ltd. is a collaborative venture between Hangzhou XuLin Photovoltaic Technology Company Ltd. and Shinefar UK Co Ltd. We specialize in manufacturing high-quality photovoltaic modules. Our advanced production facilities span over 3.5 hectares in the Zheneng Intelligent Industrial Park in Huzhou, Zhejiang, with an annual production capacity of 3 gigawatts. We offer a wide range of modules, including PERC, N-type TOPCON, and HJT modules. At Shinefar Solar, we have a team of highly experienced technical personnel who drive our success. We provide comprehensive solutions for both on-grid and hybrid photovoltaic project construction. As an awarded national high-tech enterprise, we hold an abundant portfolio of patents, including 5 invention patents and 29 practical patents. Our commitment to quality is further reinforced by certifications such as TUV, CE, UKCA, UL, INmetro, CQC, CB, and RETI, etc. With a solid global presence, Shinefar Solar has been shipping products to Europe, Latin America, North Africa, and Southeast Asia. To better serve our international customers, we have established 8 overseas branches and service centers in Germany, Spain, Poland, Finland, Thailand, Brazil, Italy, and the UK. Furthermore, our European manufacturing base in Spain is currently under construction and is scheduled to commence production in 2026. Looking ahead, we are committed to shaping the future of energy generation by providing highly efficient solar modules at competitive costs.